Welcome to Incredible Charts. Today I'm going to show you how to capture fast-moving trends like the stock on my screen using a stock screen with two key indicators. First of all, let's look at the results of the screen, which are displayed in the right-hand column. You'll see they're mainly junior miners on the ASX and mining services companies. If we run the same screen on the US, it's dominated by biotech companies, although interspersed with junior miners and plenty of silver miners at the moment. Right, so let's go and have a look at the stock screen. Click on stock screen here. If you were setting up a new screen, you click the plus button and give the screen a name. Then select an exchange. We're going to run the screen on Australia and add filters from the list. I've already set up the filters, but I'll take you through them one at a time. The first one is a value filter to eliminate stocks with low liquidity. We look for a 20-day moving average of value of not less than $2 million. The next one is a key indicator, and that is the 50-day Twigs momentum with a minimum value of 25. I developed Twigs momentum to address some of the problems with the traditional momentum oscillator. Where base effects would distort latest values. Our next filter is a 2-year price high. We're looking for the stock having made a new 2-year high within the last 20 trading days. The reason for this is to eliminate stocks that have fallen steeply and then rebounded slightly. They're often picked up by our momentum filters as an uptrend. This eliminates them from the screen results. Our next one is also a key indicator, Twigs Trend Index. We have a 21-day trend index with a minimum value of 0.25. Now, trend index is slightly different to momentum in that it measures trend strength rather than just the straight rate of change. And then last of all is an overall trend filter based on a 200-day moving average. We're looking for stocks that have closed above the moving average for at least the last 50 trading days to identify established trends, rather than something that has just jumped over the moving average in the last few days. Right, so that's the list of filters. Let's run them and look at the results. Here are the results here. I prefer looking at sub-industries rather than sectors, so we'll change that. You can see from the sub-industries, there's plenty of gold miners, diversified miners, and also mining services companies. Right, so I normally rank the results according to momentum, and we can see here focus minerals is the highest rated momentum result, with momentum above 500. You can see how steeply the stock has climbed, and momentum has been above the 25 level, the filter level, the entire 6-month period. Trend index has oscillated around a bit, but since, say, July, it is held mostly above the 0.25 level that we used as a filter. So basically, your entry point would be signaled when momentum is above 25 and the trend index is above 0.25. You then use a trailing stop like we show on the chart above. I use Twigs ATR stocks, and I'll go into that in more detail in a later video. But you can see the trailing stock trails behind the trend on the way up. I'll just flick through some of the other results, and you'll see that many of them have a similar sort of configuration. These minerals 260, another gold miner, a little bit more volatile, and West Gold, also a gold miner, diversified metals, and mining services. Let's see, they all show a similar strong uptrend and healthy momentum and trend index values over the period. Well, that's all for today.